Professional indemnity insurance can help medical professionals manage the negative outcomes of lawsuits and malpractice claims, including medical damages, settlements, and legal costs. In many countries, having a professional indemnity insurance is mandatory to legally practice medicine. Before you go ahead and buy professional indemnity insurance for your medical practice, here are the top 10 things you must consider. Number 1. Whether you are responding to a medical negligence claim or handling a defamation case, it is important to select the right lawyer. Someone you know will represent your interests best. Always choose an insurer that allows you to pick a lawyer who you feel comfortable with. Number 2. When you choose an indemnity insurance, you must pay special attention to ensure that it covers all the risks associated with your specialization. The limit of coverage must also reflect the trends of recent claims in relation to your professional and particular risk exposure. Always choose a policy that gives you complete flexibility to choose your coverage limits. Number 3. The medical industry is plagued by cybersecurity threats, malware that affect system integrity, security lapses, or data breaches that leak doctors' health notes, medical records, and prescriptions, ultimately affecting the privacy of your patients. To shield yourself from data leaks that can cost you significantly, always choose a professional indemnity insurance that offers you protection against malicious cyber attacks. Number 4. Most types of insurance offer protection only from the policy issue date. However, when it comes to the medical industry, it can take weeks, months, or even years for patients to discover unfavorable outcomes associated to medical treatments. Therefore, it is important to have insurance in place to shield you from liabilities arising from services provided in the past. In other words, it's always recommended that you choose unlimited retrospective cover in your indemnity policy. Number 5. Medical professionals need protection against liabilities that occur after they have stopped practicing or their businesses have closed. For instance, a doctor can be sued by his previous patients even many years after he has retired from practice. So next time you buy professional indemnity insurance, check if your insurer shields you with runoff cover even after your retirement. Number 6. When it comes to malpractice claims, if you own clinics as separate legal entities, they can be named as a second party in suits, in addition to you. Individual indemnity coverage will not pay for a clinic's representation or risk exposure. Therefore, if you own a clinic, you must ensure your insurer shields you with the appropriate level of cover for the clinic in addition to your individual indemnity. Number 7. The medical locum industry is expanding. If you are working as a locum for a hospital or clinic, you are expected to arrange for adequate and appropriate indemnity insurance for your practice and that establishment. So, if you have a locum practice, then ensure your indemnity shields your locum wherever you practice. Number 8. Often verbal statements or written materials can damage the reputation of a someone or something in the eyes of the other. Even when done unintentionally, medical professionals find themselves in the middle of defamation cases, harming their reputation and racking up high legal costs. To shield yourself from the catastrophic damages of such cases, ensure your insurer offers protection against unintentional defamation cases in the provision of professional healthcare services. Number 9. In today's competitive economy, the number of claims made on intellectual property infringement have quadrupled. In many medical cases, a patent or trademark infringement occurs unintentionally when someone doesn't realize that there are existing protections. To shield your reputation and finances in a defamation case, ensure your insurer offers cover for unintentional IP infringement. Number 10. Last but not least, there will be situations when you may not be able to take prior consent from the insurer for emergency defense costs and legal representation expenses. Pick an insurer that offers the provision to get retrospective consent. That is it. 10 things that you must consider before buying professional indemnity insurance to shield your medical practice from lawsuits and malpractice claims. We have factored all these 10 points in our policies for your comprehensive protection. So, if you're looking for a convenient way to buy your professional indemnity insurance at competitive premiums with customizable offerings, visit thedoctorshield.com.